Imagine this: one morning, you wake up, get out of bed, and look out the window, expecting to see the familiar glow of the sun. But something's different. The Sunday is gone. Vanished, just like that. So, what happens next? Let's break it down. If the sun suddenly disappeared, we wouldn't know immediately. That's because light from the sun takes about 8 minutes and 20 seconds to reach us. For 8 minutes, life on Earth would carry on as if nothing happened. But once that last bit of sunlight finally reached us, total darkness. The planet would be plunged into pitch-black night. But the consequences of a missing sun would go far beyond just the loss of light. The sun's disappearance means we'd lose more than just light. We'd lose its gravitational pull. Our planet, along with every other planet, asteroid, and comet, would no longer be held in orbit. Without the sun's gravity, Earth would drift in a straight line, traveling through space at about 67,000 miles per hour. And as Earth hurtled through the dark, new dangers would lie ahead. Without sunlight, Earth would rapidly cool down. Within the first 24 hours, temperatures would plummet to near freezing. After a week, they'd drop to -100 degrees Fahrenheit. Eventually, in a matter of months, Earth would reach an average surface temperature close to -400 degrees Fahrenheit. Humans and animals would scramble to find warmth. Some species might survive by moving underground or near hydrothermal vents. But for most life forms, the clock would be ticking. Plants need sunlight for photosynthesis. Without it, they'd stop producing oxygen and food. Within days, entire ecosystems would begin collapsing, and soon, Earth's atmosphere would become a suffocating mix of carbon dioxide. Only a few organisms, like those near deep-sea vents or beneath the Earth's crust, could survive. Ironically, the most ancient forms of life, the extremophiles, might be the last ones standing. Darkness and cold would likely have devastating impacts on society. People might seek shelter in nuclear bunkers or near geothermal sources, but resources would be limited. With sunlight gone, our sense of time, routine, and hope would begin to fade. Without the sun, everything we know, food, warmth, life itself, would become a distant memory. Drifting away from the sun, Earth would become a rogue planet, a cold, barren world traveling through the galaxy. While it might pass near other stars or systems, the odds of Earth ever settling into a new orbit are astronomically low. Yet, humanity is resilient. With foresight and determination, perhaps we could prepare for such a cosmic event. Maybe we'd build massive underground cities, or even construct generation ships to explore new star systems. If the sun disappeared, surviving would be an unprecedented challenge, but one humans might just be able to meet. The sun gives us more than just warmth and light. It's the anchor of our existence. For now, we can only imagine what it would be like to lose it. And be grateful it's here to stay. Appreciate your sun. It's the reason you're alive.